Welcome to another episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, presented by me, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this engaging episode, we'll be learning from Shon Isenhour, founding partner of Eruditio, about the trials, tribulations, and unique opportunities presented to frontline workers amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. You'll discover key activities to stay productive during these challenging times, hear about the importance of planning and scheduling, and learn how to use this time to enhance your skills and efficiency. In today's episode, we sit down with Shon Isenhour, whose journey in the maintenance and reliability sector began from an early age, working in his father's business, and has since evolved into a significant role in education and training within the industry. During these challenging times, Shon has observed a mixed impact on various industries due to the pandemic. Pharmaceutical plants are operating at full capacity, while the automotive sector experiences significant slowdown, reflecting the diverse challenges faced by different sectors. For those in maintenance and reliability, the pandemic has created unique opportunities and challenges. Shon emphasizes the importance of using this time effectively, whether it's catching up on preventive maintenance or focusing on personal and professional development. He outlines 3 key activities for workers during this period: cleaning house by organizing job plans and procedures, personal development through learning new skills, and refining business processes to enhance efficiency. Shon also highlights the importance of planning and scheduling, which not only helps in making operations more economical, but also ensures safety and efficiency. He recommends several resources for those looking to utilize this time to enhance their knowledge and skills, including engaging with e-learning platforms, listening to industry podcasts, and reading influential books on maintenance and reliability. As we navigate these uncertain times, Shon advises maintenance professionals to focus on risk management, communication, and contingency planning to prepare for any situation. The lessons learned during the pandemic should inspire a focus on the fundamentals of maintenance and reliability, ensuring that businesses are ready to operate efficiently post-crisis. Finally, Shon calls on industry leaders and companies to support their communities by being responsive to their needs and providing resources that can help them adapt and thrive during and after the pandemic. His message is clear: use this time to plan, prepare, and progress. For all maintenance and reliability professionals out there, this episode serves as a reminder of the critical role you play in keeping industries running and the importance of staying informed, prepared, and proactive in your professional journey. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve during these times. Thank you for watching this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We've discussed the impact of the pandemic on various industries, the importance of planning and scheduling, and the value of personal and professional development during these challenging times. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel and visit upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams. Until next time, stay safe and keep pushing the boundaries.